connect this. So friends, here it is, the phone. So let's connect this. And friends, you can see it is connecting Redmi Birds 6. Click on pair and it is paired successfully. Let's open this. And let's play the song. And I have used this and I have a very good experience in it. You can definitely you can buy this. It's very good. And friends, here you can see pair with Redmi Birds 6. You have to just click on pair and it is paired successfully. Now let's open the YouTube and play song. Friends, you can see it is connected, and when you just click on it, here you will see, friends, you can see here it is the left bird 90% charge, case is 50% charge, and right is 85. So let's play the music also and I show you. Here it is the maximum volume. Friends, its volume is very good at this, and the bass is very good. You can buy this, and it has a dual driver sound. That is the best part of this, and the best is 42 hours of playback time. And it has also one app for this. You can just simply download it and make the changes. So I'll show you. Just scroll down and you have to just enable this, and here it is the firmware. You can just skip this, and here it is Xiaomi earbuds. You can just, here it is added, you can see Redmi Birds 6, and you can change the gestures, audio effects, additional settings. You can just change this also and put in your earphones. Here it is the noise cancellation, transparency, and just there are lots of settings also. I have given the link in the description. You can check it out there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful video. Thanks for watching.